me sneezing. Anyways, this song. There's somewhere in South Black Mountain Hills of Dakota, there lived a young boy named Rocky Raccoon. One day his woman ran off with another guy, hit young Rocky in the eye. Rocky didn't like that, he said, I'm gonna get that boy. So he went into town and he rented a room at his local saloon. And Rocky Raccoon checked into his room only to find Gideon's Bible. Rocky had come, equipped with a gun to shoot off the leg of his rival. Rival, it seems, had broken his dreams by stealing the girl of his fancy. Her name was McGill, but she called herself Lil. Everyone knew her as Nancy. Himself down when the next room had to hold down. Rocky burst in and grinning a grin. He said, Danny boy, it's Tuesday showdown. But Daniel was hot, he drew first and shot. Then Rocky collapsed in the corner. Doctor come in, stinking of gin, proceeding to lie on the table. Doctor said, Rocky met your match. Rocky said, Doc's only scratch. I'll be better, Doc, soon as I am able. And Rocky Raccoon fell back in his room, only to find Gideon's Bible. Checked out and he left it, no doubt, to help with good Rocky's revival. Well, I didn't sneeze at the end, but I did at the beginning, so there you go.